Stay tuned to see how I created this commissioned resin jewelry tray. So I got an order for a themed jewelry tray, and the theme, as you guys can see from the beginning picture of the video, was 420, I'll say. So I went ahead and created an outside mixture for the resin and fine glitters to do the thick portion of the sides of the tray. Added a thin layer of clear resin to the middle of the tray so that the stickers would adhere. And then I added these really cute weed themed glitters to the rest of my resin, as well as some yellow fine glitter, because I just wanted this to have a lot of color and a lot of dimension. And the person who ordered the tray did not limit me on colors or how I wanted to do the tray. Their only request was the theme. So I also added in some green just to try to add a little bit of dimension to the tray and make sure that it looked really, really nice. So I continued to add my glitters, and after I finished adding all the different colors, as you can see, I put in a little bit of black as well. I went ahead and stirred that so that the glitters would get fully dispersed throughout the resin. I didn't want anything just kind of sitting in one clump. Look at that. Ooh, it looks so nice. So I went ahead and then poured this mixture over the rest of the resin, or the rest of the silicone mold, making sure to pour slowly to try to not create any bubbles. And I just wanted to zoom in because y'all, look how nice that looks. Oh, that's so satisfying. So I just continued to pour until I filled in the tray, making sure to not leave any gaps so that everything will cure correctly, because I really wanted to make this a nice tray since somebody is ordering it. I left this to cure for 24 to 48 hours. And here is the finished resin jewelry tray. I love how it came out. I think it's really cute. All of the different colors that I added to it really makes it stand out. And I went ahead and styled the tray with just some of my jewelry that I have, so that you guys can kind of just see how it looks with the jewelry on it. And like I said, the colors, the theme, it's really cute, it's really fun, which is what the person who ordered it wanted. And this bracelet I actually got as a birthday gift. It says, "My story is just beginning," and it's a really awesome gift that I got from one of my friends. Thank you guys for joining me for another video this week. I had so much fun making this tray. I was so happy to get my first order for something customized. And if you would like to order a customized tray, let me know. Hit me up by email, haikucreations@yahoo.com. All right, you guys, thank you again. Make sure you hit that like button, share this video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you would like for your theme tray. And then go ahead and place an order. Anyways, wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.